Greetings, my people. Well done, my people. My name is Mazi Achebe Paul. There is some issue I want to address. So make sure that you make this video go viral. For those of you who are saying that IPOB don't practice democracy, let me make it clear for every one of you out there. In a struggle, you don't practice democracy. IPOB is not a democratic party. IPOB is not a nation yet. IPOB is a group, a nation that is fighting to be restored. IPOB is under one command. IPOB is command and control. One person gives order and others follow. When you talk of IPOB, IPOB is like military rule. When you talk of restoration of a nation, they don't follow democratic where you can be bringing your own opinion. They will be electing leaders or they will be campaigning who will be the next leader. No. A leader is who is capable, who cannot deviate, who cannot sell out, who can command the masses, and the masses obey, and the masses listen to the person. A leader of a struggle is a person who have the heart to do undo, who have what it takes to neutralize the powers of the enemy, to make sure that he conquer or she conquer whoever that come across him or her. That is what a leader is. And that is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represent. A fearless man, a man with integrity, a man with a words, a man with wisdom. Now let me tell you, give me any example of a group of people trying to restore their nation that is practicing democracy in the whole universe. Then, if you cannot, don't come out and on a social media to say that IPOB is not practicing democracy. Yes, we are not into democracy. If you cannot beat them, you join them. So, if you don't know what struggle is all about, you better go and study. You better go and make researches. You better go and look somewhere to learn, because in this struggle, many people have died. In democracies, you cannot kill anyone. You pass through court. So go and check. Let me give you some series of examples so that you will know what struggle is all about. Nelson Mandela, I keep on using him as a reference, who elected him to fight for the independence of South Africa. Nnamdi Azikiwe, who elected him to fight for the independence of Nigeria. Martin Luther King Jr., who elected him to fight for the black Americans. Now, if nobody elected those ones, know it that IPOB cannot come and be having a democratic election to elect their leader. First of all, you will ask, who formed the IPOB? How come about IPOB? What is holding IPOB not to be deviating from their mission in restoration of Biafra? Why is this IPOB not like every other groups that have come and failed, that have come and failed to restore Biafra, and they take one thing or the other happen, then fail down and they fed up? Ask yourself. The reason is because IPOB is command and control. IPOB, let me give you an example of what struggle is. A struggle is like a military rule. Obey the last order. Obey before complain. In the time of Sani Abacha, you don't utter any word. You obey the things they say. So, let me make it clear once again that in this moment, there is nothing like democracy. After the restoration of Biafra, in Biafra nation, you can practice democracy. Not you can. We must practice democracy. So, in Biafra nation, after the restoration of Biafra, your opinion, you can come out and say, this is who we want to be our president, this is who will be our governor, our councillor, or whoever. At that point, you can elect any person through democratic way. But now, what are you? Who are going to, or who is the person that is going to implement the democracy on a nation that is not yet restored, on a nation that people are dying every day to make sure that they restore the nation? And we are talking of democracy. At this point of time, you shouldn't be talking about democracy. You should be talking what you can offer to make the restoration of Biafra come fast. So if you know that you cannot follow the rules, command and control, I advise you to step aside and keep your mouth quiet. Watch those that can do it. Once Biafra is restored, if you know that you have what it takes to prove to the world that you're good in practicing democracy, you can come out. If the people love you and they voted for you, good and fine. You become whatever that you contest for. But as for now, stay off. Because if you dare, the fire that you are trying to on will consume you. IPOB is more than fire. We are more dangerous than fire. Be careful. Be warned. A word is enough for the wise. Listen and listen attentively. IPOB is not a democratic party. They are a organization that is fighting for the restoration of Biafra. A group of freedom fighters. And for those of you who think Eastern Security Network don't have sense, are you mad? Are you normal? How can you watch such men and women? You think they cannot reason? You better rethink. Because those men out there, they think more than you do. They have senses, they have wisdom. Above all, Chukwu Okike Abiama is guiding them. Share the video to those people out there that is complaining IPOB is not following this and that. Let them know that in the terms of struggle, you don't follow democratic way. You follow others. And in as much as Biafra is concerned, we have only one leader. Biafra as a whole have one leader. And that person is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ohamadike Okulora Odogu Buruburu, one of Biafra land. They are not two. All hail Biafra. Share the video and let them know the real truth. And drop your comment. What you think? If IPOB is whatever you think, let me see the comment and know how I will deal with some people. Thank you once again. My name is Mazi Achebe Paul. Keep on following our YouTube, Biafra Unity TV. And remain blessed. Go and subscribe.